Hey guys, John, Boundary Air Photography here in Portland, Oregon. Coming to you today on a short video to tell you why I had to get my FAA-107 small unmanned aircraft systems license and how I got it. So if you see me on my fence channel, the YouTube fence channel, you know that I'm a fence contractor and my fence company is Fix a Fence LLC here in Portland, Oregon, mending broken fences. That's mainly what we do. But anyway, I've been putting a lot of videos out there showing you guys how to do this and that as far as fences is concerned, and I started this other book called Cashertising with Drew Eric Whitman. I've been reading about that. Check that out on my fence channel if you're looking for something else other than boundary air photography. But with that being said, when I was doing my videos, I was going out in the field and I found out that I couldn't be in two places at once. So I had my buddy, he was a retired or disabled veteran, whatever. His name's Dave, and I call him Captain Dave. But you know, he flew helicopter in the military and all that stuff, and until he got sent home. With that being said, I hired him to do some of my video work as I couldn't be there two places at once. So he went out and did a lot of videos. So anyway, one day we were talking about our next shoot, and he's like, John, you know, I think we need to put a drone. We need to put a drone into the mix of the videos. And I was like, okay. So I went online, you know, and I purchased a little Procentric Dreamer 4. And with that, you know, it came in, we got it hooked up, and we started incorporating some videos into the fence channel. You know, it wasn't much, but we started incorporating them in there. And then one day we were sitting around there and looking at, we were talking about our next shoot, you know, and I looked at that drone there and I'm like, Dave, I think we can make some money with this. And he's like, yeah? I'm like, I think we can. And so with that, you know, because I know I got these tools, I got the technology, you know, and so with that being said, I filed for the Articles of Incorporation. I got the domain name. You know, the website's not up yet, but I got the domain name. You know, I bought it for 42 cents a month. For God's sake, 42 cents a month, that's unheard of. BoundaryAirPhotography.com. That's coming to you pretty soon. Anyway, with that being said, yeah, I got the website, you know, I landed my first customer, you know, and I was about ready to go make some money. And then I typed online for some reason, typed in Google, do I need a license to make money with a drone? And sure enough, I found out, well, I need to get a FAA-107 small unmanned aircraft systems license in order to make money commercially in the drone business. That just kind of pulled the rug out from under me, you know, and it just kind of deflated me. But you know what? Hey, I didn't let that stop me. That's the whole point, you know. So I went further and I'm like, okay, well, what am I going to do? So I figured out, I typed on there, how do I become a pilot, you know? Well, I found all these little institutes online, you know, a lot of drone institutes out there. But I got hooked up with this guy from, a guy named Greg from Pilot Institute, you know. And it was a course that cost me, I think, about $269. I think I paid, you know, for the course. And it's a video course specifically designed for unmanned aircraft. And FAA-107, it took me through the books, and it took me through the test. I answered the questions. You know, he was telling us online to get 80%, you know, or more with him in order to go into there, because the FAA is totally different, man. FAA don't play. The FAA don't play. Anyway, so their test's pretty hardcore. But I passed with a 70%. I became a licensed drone pilot, and now the business is in operation. I got the bank account, the EIN number, the bank account, you know. I got hooked up with another great team of people called the Sky Eye Network. And so anyway, and they're like basically kind of like an engine for this vehicle that we began called Boundary Air Photography. And so with that being said, let's see here. Institute, oh yeah, I passed. I'm a freaking licensed pilot. But anyway, so now I'm able to supercharge your website, your social media brochures, and all other marketing material with the jaw-dropping aerial videos and photos. You know, I've got the tools, I've got the people, I got the team. So if you need any videography and photography from a drone, GoPro, a nice Canon, whatever, we'll put it to use for you, and we'll get your marketing material up to par with some great, awesome drone photography. I mean, come on, doesn't that just drop your jaw? I mean, wow. Look at some of these pictures. I mean, my goodness, you know? So anyway, Boundary Air Photography, 971-346-0375, Portland, Oregon. With this package deal, you'll get 20 professional high-resolution HDR aerial photos of your business or your house, whatever, from all angles and positions. And not only that, it includes 10 high-resolution HD videos, okay, of your business, short, unedited videos to use for your promotion, social media, or your B-roll. But anyway, again, Boundary Air Photography, 971-346-0375. Let's supercharge your website and social media and brochures and all your marketing material with these jaw-dropping aerial videos and photos. With that, hey, welcome to Boundary Air Photography. Have a great day. Keep smiling.